안녕하세요 여러분, 엠쌤입니다. Hi everyone, Margarita here, your friendly language enthusiast. And today I am out on a mission. I am trying to find out if there are really any physical language learning resources that I can find here in London, or if I just have to rely on the beauty of online shopping and just order all of my textbooks online, which is okay, but not ideal, because shipping fees and other costs and waiting time for the delivery to arrive. You guys know what I mean. And because right now I am actively studying for TOPIK, or the test of proficiency in Korean, I am here in Waterstones, which is one of the biggest bookshops here in London. So let's go in and check it out. Gacha! Gacha gacha! Okay, does anybody else love bookstores as much as I do? I mean, this place is just so magnificent and relaxing. Oh, I love it. Kids section, oh my god, it's so fun. Okay, this is not what we're here for. Okay, let's go up. 2 more floors? Oh, this sure is an exercise. Ugh. Take the stairs, guys, all the time. Stay healthy. Okay, floor number 3. Almost there. Foreign languages. Here I come. TOPIK textbooks. Here I come. Do you guys think this place has any TOPIK preparation textbooks? I'm sure they have Korean language learning textbooks, the regular ones, but I'm really doubting they have TOPIK. Alright, let's see. I'm here. And I'm way too out of breath. So they have Arabic first. Ooh, Chinese has its own section. Dang. Okay, Chinese. What else? Dutch, French, German. Ooh, they have Hebrew. Nice. I might actually pick that up. Ooh, okay, Korean. There's no TOPIK textbook. And the whole shelf itself for Korean language learning is quite small, I'd say, in comparison to other languages, but what can you do? Off to the next bookstore. Gacha! Gacha gacha! At the absence of any TOPIK textbooks, I decided to just get this interesting book that caught my attention called Korean Stories for Language Learners. It's about time I improve my vocabulary, let's be real, right? Alright, our next stop is Foyles, which is personally my favorite bookshop here in London. I just find it to be so relaxing and aesthetically beautiful, and it has like 5 floors of books on books on books and an amazing cafe inside with just such delicious food. I used to go there actually quite often when I was in university and studying for my exams or writing my dissertation. My friend Maria can relate. And another reason why I really like it is because it actually has a pretty hefty section of Korean learning resources. Hair in my mouth. But yeah, so let's check it out and go right there. Gacha! Languages are right here. Right there. It's interesting. Every single bookshop languages are on the 4th floor. What's up with that? Let's take these fancy elevators. They stop at half a floor. It's kind of cool. Or maybe that's just me who finds it cool. Ooh. Let's go. Wait.
Yeah, if you want to use Circus faster, just down the floor.
Okay, no wonder this is my favorite Korean, oh not Korean, this is my favorite bookshop in London. Look at how huge the Korean section is. This whole thing, and then this whole thing, and even more. 3 full shelves of Korean textbooks, and excitedly enough, ta-da! I found something related to Topic. Yay! Okay, I have too many things in my hands. I'm gonna drop this. Hey. Okay. Oh, look, Korean for Zero textbooks. Yay! And of course, lots of Talk to Me in Korean stuff right here, as you can see. More Talk to Me in Korean. More Talk to Me in Korean. And some more Talk to Me in Korean. Man, this is amazing. They even have Harry Potter in Korean. Oh my god, should I read it? Should I read it, guys? Man, that would be cool. Because I have the English Harry Potter books at home as well. Could be an interesting new video for you guys as well. Okay, so when it comes to Topic, I found a few things here. First, this test guide to the new Topic, and it is the Topic 2. Topic 2 edition, which is good for me. Then I found this Topic 1 완벽 대비 한국어 능력 시험, which is for Topic 1 takers. And it seems like a pretty good resource for any of you guys taking Topic 1, but that's not me. By the way, if you want to check out me taking Topic 1 without studying at all, go into the cards. It should appear right here. But yeah, this is listening section. Yeah, listening and basic vocabulary. 듣기. Okay, next resource here is this Topic Korean vocabulary, and I don't really understand what this is. I think it's literally just like exercises to improve your vocabulary for Topic, and I wasn't entirely sure if this is for Topic 1 or 2, but here at the bottom in yellow it says chogup, which basically means beginner, so I'm assuming this is for Topic 1. So this doesn't apply to me either. And the last 2 things are these massive, oh my god, they're so heavy, collections of like 2 or 3 books basically, which look really legit. These are basically sets of Topic prep, and this one is for Topic 1. And then, oh gosh, this one is for Topic 2. Goodness. It's too heavy. There you go. Bam. And yeah, I guess it makes sense because in Topic 1 you have only 듣기 and 읽기, and then here you have 쓰기 as well, which is writing. Goodness. What do I do? I think I'm actually going to purchase this bad boy and this a little lighter but still bad boy, just to give you guys a comparison of which one was more useful and which one actually helped me pass Topic 2. Let's go. Let's do this. Okay guys, so I actually ended up purchasing both books, or both stacks of books. The massive set, oh, can I even take it out of this? Yes, oh I can, okay. This massive set of really heavy 3 books for Topic 2 preparation ended up costing £58 and some number of pence, it's not important, which is a lot more expensive than the original price of this in Korean won, which is 41,000, which is around 40 bucks. yes, this is expensive, but this is actually cheaper than if I would have been ordering this from Korea because the shipping costs are pretty much exactly the same amount as the books themselves. So I would have spent around $100 on that. So yeah, I'm pretty excited that I got my hands on these 4 books in total, and I can't wait to go and try it out at home. Let's go! So I've been studying with this and this topic preparation study book for about 2 months, couple of months, and as you can see, I've made a lot of progress. Okay, so super quick lightning round explanation of what's inside this one and what's inside this plus these two, so you get a better idea of which one you should go for. So this one, amazing for those of you who have not been studying for topic for a long time and you don't have a lot of time to study for it. This is super concise, super topic oriented, and you just need to devour this entire book before you go into the test and you'll be fine. It has a relatively small first section with question analysis and explanations of how you should approach the reading, writing, and listening sections. Then it simply gives you 3 actual mock tests, and then it gives you answers to those mock tests. And that's it. You're done. You're prepared for topic 2. What I like about this book is that it has an English translation for almost every Korean sentence that they're printing in here, unlike the other books, but I'll get into that in a second. So even the answer key has translations of all the answer options. I'm actually not sure if it's all the answer options or if it's just the correct answer option. Another beautiful thing is that it has a listening explanation or just basically a written manuscript of the listening section, which is so incredibly helpful because topic 2 listening section is very difficult to follow. It gets progressively quicker. You don't get 2 repetitions of whatever they said. You just have to listen once, understand it, process it, and then at the same time, somehow, in the short amount of time that they give you, read all the answer options and pick the right choice. I mean, don't even get me started. So, bottom line, this book is just super concise, whereas this heavy little fella is slightly different. You obviously get mock tests. You get an entire booklet of mock tests. This one has 4 with answers in it. You get an entire booklet with just writing section exercises. This has like 20 or more different types of writing questions, explanations of how to approach them. Pretty much the same as this one, just a lot more expanded. However, this book is, in my case, such a treasure chest beyond topic and any kind of standardized test because you can learn actual grammar from it. Yes, it does have the 3 mock tests and answers to them, obviously, but it then has this entire section of 어휘, which is vocab, and 문법, which is grammar. So you get all of these sections filled with, I don't know if you guys can see, vocab divided by topic, grammar divided by the type of principle it is, like 는, 따는지, 으랴, 으랴, right here. Ooh. And then it gives you an explanation. So I feel like I definitely am not gonna be able to go through the entirety of this book, absolutely not, before topic, but that doesn't mean that I can't then just learn Korean grammar and vocab from it. So if you're thinking slightly more into the future and you're not too worried about your topic 2, as I am, honestly, like, yes, I do want to pass, but I also am understanding that I have a full-time job and I'm doing YouTube. But I just find this so useful as a study resource in general for Korean. It is made in Korean for Koreans to study Korean grammar. So I just don't see any better resource than this to actually learn more textbook Korean, for sure. This is not gonna give you like slangy expressions or casual speech, but you get to learn some polite written expressions. You get to learn the juiciness and the depth of the language that Korean is. So that sounds like a treat for me. So bottom line, if you are thinking for learning Korean beyond TOPIK, buy yourself this one. If you just want to prepare for TOPIK and then almost throw this thing away, then, you know, you have everything you need in here, super concise. You can pair it with online resources, which, by the way, I will make a separate video about for all of you guys who are interested. If you don't want to spend a lot of money on physical books, which I totally understand, it's not everyone's thing, I will provide you with some resources, some online resources that you can use. So let me know in the comments section if it's something you want. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys very, very shortly, and I hope you're all having the most amazing day as I am right now. Bye! Annyeong!